Hello and welcome back to the Joyful Soul Creates. Charlotte here with a bit of a special video. This is my thank you video for reaching 2,000 subscribers, which happened a week or two ago I think, and I was very excited to see that happen. It's always fun to reach new milestones, and of course I couldn't do that without all of you. In this video I'm making just a quick thank you card using some MFT products, but I'm not going to be talking too much about the card itself. You can see what I'm doing on the screen whilst I'm talking, because I'm going to be talking about the giveaway that I'm going to be doing. October is also my birthday month, and it's actually a milestone birthday. I'm going to be turning 30 on the 30th, so I thought we would have a month-long celebration to kind of celebrate both of those and just give you lots of chances to enter to win the prize. My plan initially had been to organise lots of collaborations and sponsors and all sorts of things, but I've had some health issues again and just didn't get around to sorting it, so I apologise for that, but I hope you'll still enjoy anyway. So what we are going to do is I will be giving away this card as well as a mystery prize pack to one lucky winner, and if we reach 3,000 subscribers before my birthday or by my birthday, then there will be a second prize winner, and I'm thinking that will probably be a gift card of $30 or €30, £30 to the store of the winner's choice. I know 3,000 is quite ambitious, given that I've only just reached 2,000, but with it being my 30th on the 30th, I thought 3,000, the numbers work nicely, so that was my logic behind it anyway. So as I said, I'm intending to have this run all month. I'm hoping I will be able to release a video every day. That will partly depend on my health, but that's the idea at the moment. Some of them will be longer videos, some of them might be very quick videos. If you have ideas for what you want to see in the videos, please do let me know that. In order to be eligible for the prize, which again is this card I'm making now, plus a mystery pack of goodies, some of which will be de-stash items, lightly used, some of them will be brand new unused items. In order to be eligible to win that, the only thing you have to do is comment on this video, and there'll be a Rafflecopter link in the description box below. You can click that link and it will take you to the Rafflecopter, where you can let it know that you commented on this video, and you'll have to enter your YouTube name there so that I can confirm you really did comment. That's the only thing you have to do. There will be optional extra things you can do, for example leaving a comment on any subsequent videos I post this month. There will be particular requirements for those comments each video, so you do need to actually pay attention to what's in the video. I might ask you to answer a specific question, there might be a secret word, things along those lines. And again, you will then go to the Rafflecopter and let that know that you have left your comments. Other things you can do to increase your chances to win are things like following me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, my blog, and also Patreon. And the bonus prize winner will be picked from those entries as well if we reach the 3,000 by my birthday. That's the plan. Also, as a thank you, I'm giving you a discount code to my Etsy store. I've recently started up my Etsy store again. I'm still in the process of listing things, so there's not a huge amount there at the moment, but hopefully over the course of the month I'll get a lot more listed. The code will give you 20% off in honor of this reaching 2,000 subscribers, and that code will be YAY2K, so all caps YAY, the number 2 and a K, and I will have that in the description box below as well if you'd like to find that there. So that will be valid throughout this month, so the whole of October, if you'd like to purchase any of my cards. And I think that's everything. If you have any questions about the prize, or if I've forgotten to mention anything, just leave that in the comment box below. There's nothing in particular you have to comment on this video, but as I said, in the future videos there may be specific questions or words that I ask you to include in your comments to make sure you've watched. This time you don't have to do that, just any comment is fine. Like I said, if you have anything you want me to do in particular in the future videos, you can leave that in the comments. If you have any questions or concerns about the giveaway or anything I forgot to say, you can leave that as well. But otherwise, whatever you want to comment, tell me a joke, anything you like. I hope you've enjoyed this card that I made in the background whilst I've been talking or trying to talk and losing my train of thought all the time, which I will have edited out, so hopefully it will sound a bit more professional than I'm feeling at the moment. This card is, as I said, made with MFT products. They're in the description box below, along with links to anything else of the products I have used, which are affiliate links where possible to support my channel and help me keep making these videos. I've mentioned before I'm trying to make this my full-time job, and getting more subscribers definitely helps towards that, because with more subscribers I will get more watch hours and hopefully be able to monetize my videos at some point, and also affiliate sales help towards that as well. The galaxy background is actually left over from a card I made a couple of years ago, I think, and is one of my earliest videos here on YouTube, so I will link to that as well. But I think that's everything. A huge thank you once again for being one of my 2,000 subscribers. If you are, if you're not, please do click the subscribe button. I'd love to add you to my subscriber base. It's such a lovely community, and I would really appreciate you helping me get towards the 3,000. I would be over the moon if we make that by the end of the month. So please do press the subscribe button on screen now if you haven't yet subscribed. There are also a couple of other videos showing if you'd like to see more from me straight away. Otherwise, I'll thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!